Hello, this is Angela Waki based in California. Thank you for watching my video and supporting my channel. In this video, I'd like to talk about how to hold a baitcaster when reeling. This is a baitcaster, a bait casting reel. In Japan, we don't use the word baitcaster. We call this bait reel, bait reel. I'm holding this reel like this. A single finger grip when I cast. You may hold the reel with a two finger grip. I guess a two finger grip is popular as well. But just for my casting style, the single finger grip is better fitting than a two finger. Okay, when I cast, a single finger grip I'm using. But when I start reeling, I switch the grip like this. Three finger palming. The reason for palming is that with a single finger grip, it's difficult to stably reel the handle. I need to grab tight the rod to get the reel position stable. Oof. But with this three finger palming, I can have a stable reeling, and it's also easier making jerking and twitching actions. If you have a strong wrist, then you may not have any reason for changing the grip, but it's not my case. I cannot reel stably without this palming. I guess some anglers palm like this. 4 fingers. It's up to each angler's preference. We all have different sizes of hands, different lengths of fingers, and wrist and arm power. Anyway, I would recommend palming a baitcaster when reeling. Thank you for watching. Arigato, merci, gracias, obrigado. See you. Bye bye.